Madam, if you vote for me, for your street, I go put street light. For your room, I go put room light. For your Balo, I go put Balo light. For your toilet, I go put toilet light. Madam, I go light your compound. Don't vote for me.
There's light at the end of the tunnel. Your husband will not die.
Okay, vote for me, eh? I go buy you keke me use the hustle for Port Harcourt.
I know what you need in life. I know what you need in life.
What's up, my people on a day? It's another comedy reaction from your boy OBIKING. So I would like you guys to watch this video to the very end, because as usual, I'm going to try my best to give you guys the best you've ever seen. So what you have to do for me, just like normal, make sure to subscribe. Make sure you drop nice comments. You feel me? So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Oh my dear.
Let's start.
Babe, where do you see money to buy all this?
Babe, I will explain to you later. Right now, I'm so tired.
Okay.
Neighbors, I don't want. It's okay.
Do this all.
I had a gunshot. Hope my baby's okay.
Sir, there's no gunshot here. It's the movie I'm watching.
Oh.
Now, wow.
And please, this is your baby.
Okay, I think you must be our junior brother, right?
Me? Junior brother?
Anyways, I gave her some money to give you 2 million naira out of it.
2 million? Okay, wait. Sister,
Sister!
please come home.
Hold up. Babe, hope you're okay.
Okay, please wait.
Wait a minute.
Sister, your boyfriend gave you some money to give me your brother 2 million, Abi?
Let's have it. Let's have it. Come on.
Yes.
Women. Send the money to this account.
Oh, yeah.
Our boyfriend, thank you.
I'm peaceful.
Who the bitch policeman? Who the bitch policeman?
What's the problem now? Why are you crying?
My girlfriend don't break up with me.
Oh, Barry!
She said her papa no want me she marry uniform man.
Cheer up! What's that? Like you should be saving people's life instead of being here crying over one small civilian girl.
But I love her.
It doesn't matter. See, I give you 1 week. You'll find someone better.
Because of what this girl do me. I go to arrest people anyhow.
No.
I go to arrest people anyhow.
No, what you tell
That's
you.
not gotten to that extent.
It's somebody they
Relax,
save people.
Don't
Maybe
let
to arise.
people's negative influence impact on your character. You know, you're a good person. Let your good work speak for you. Let it go. Let it go. You'll be fine. Okay. Eh?
You be good man.
I know.
You be good man.
I know. Don't worry. God bless you. Eh?
Thank you, sir.
You'll be fine. God will help all of us.
That time when I hug you, I perceive you go. Share this smoke.
You know now, sometimes, you know, just to get high, keep your body and
They go arrest
you.
you.
Know how country they be now.
Yeah.
You just need to theorize, blow trees, feel cool, you know.
You're under arrest.
For what? Me where they console you since?
Anything you say now, it will be used against you in the court of law.
Which kind of nonsense police be this one? This police know well, oh. What's going on here?
Jesus.
Which kind of nonsense be this one?
God have mercy upon us.
Breakfast, Igbo. Which kind of style be this?
Igbo. Dinner, Igbo.
Hey, man.
Come here.
Who get that to it?
Who is it?
Bring her.
You think it's a joke?
Man, no. I shoot this one.
God have
Hey, my gorilla send them.
It's about to go down.
Where you go?
Yeah, you want to tell me? Who is this man in the first place?
Jesus.
Who is this one?
I want to live always.
Okay, Gugu.
My gorilla send them.
You never see anything.
Let's have it.
I love start talking. Now you are talking about me.
Mercy upon us.
Up, chupia.
You don't leave and go. Okay.
Oh man, this Korean was good though. Make I go find trouble.
Let's have it.
Voila. Yeah.
Jesus. Oh my God.
I will sue you for money, humanity to man.
Just laugh.
Capacity leader. Incoming. Our incoming.
Waiting be the plan for this election now. You know, say this guy they go compete with now graduate, first class graduate. In go school, you know go. So waiting be the plans.
See, ma, tell you, I don't drop 50,000 aside. Why go is bribe the election chairman?
50,000 not too much. No, for your fine person who go snatch the ballot box.
Very good.
Not true. She did correct when coming.
Yes. I know who feels like this ballot boss. Last year election, now he snatch out. I could just give her all the information we need with 5,000 naira. No snatch ballot boss for us.
5,000.
5,000. Election successful.
Election successful. So you want this guy?
Ladies and gentlemen,
You want the election?
You're welcome to today's election. Remember, this is our primary election, and we're going to be electing who want to become our next incoming. So I want to promise you that today's election is going to be free, fair, and transparent.
Excuse me, Chairman, sir. What if person come here and snatch ballot box? Election go continue.
If ballot box is snatched, we put an end to the election immediately.
No, election must go on. For what counts? For a point ground.
No, it's not funny. Those in support say aye. Aye. And those against you say nay. The ayes have it. So ladies and gentlemen, I want you to come accordingly and cast your vote. Thank you.
You don't plan as you go take the election.
Okay, if you vote for me, I go do road, reach your farm.
There'll be a structural pension scheme for you.
Now English will go to.
I wonder.
Oh,
He coming.
Madam, if you vote for me, I swear, all your children, I'll give them scholarship.
Even while your children are in school, they'll be working. You have my word.
My son, as they look your face, he be like who go get conscience.
Fem La Bush, it's done.
Madam, if you vote for me, for your street, I go put street light. For your room, I go put room light. For your Balo, I go put Balo light. For your toilet, I go put toilet light. Madam, I go light your compound. Don't vote for me.
There's light at the end of the tunnel. Your husband will not die.
Okay, vote for me, eh? I go buy you keke me use the hustle for Port Harcourt.
I know what you need in life.
Madam, if you vote for me, I swear, I go give you shop. I go open them for you. I go give you money make you start crutching business.
Your children will go abroad. They will study abroad. All of them. You have my word.
Children need to go abroad.
Fem La Bush.
Madam, if you vote for me, I swear, my government go provide you with plenty husband. I will go mobilize it and go begin sending.
But you are not.
Okay, vote for me.
Thank you.
Capacity leader.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of today's election.
Now you win, and they go rig the election.
To vote and declare our winner. So, ladies and gentlemen, like I promised you.
I wanted this protected. My mandate must be protected.
Now you pay for now you pay them and then cost to carry your stuff. Or was it like you win?
Chairman, do you believe in love?
But punish love. Love mama. Calm down. Yeah.
What's going on here?
Who be that fish now? Promote chase him now, bro.
You want chase Spider-Man? That will go chase our dream.
Who go break the bone and they fear you?
Spider-Man.
Shut up!
Oh my God. What?
You don't see babe. You don't see fine babe.
That girl na sweet girl. I like that they die.
You know where that girl come from? I mean, they tell. Now, lucky girl now.
Lucky babe. You don't chop today. You get money, lion.
Baba, I won't carry that girl go date too.
Date? Where you won't see the money, lion?
Don't worry. Hey, open your door. Give me all the money.
Natifo.
Babe, I bought the Indomie.
Eh?
I am.
Yes, baby.
Promise me that you're not going to leave me after everything.
Why would I want to leave you?
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
You just carry 2K inside and come out.
Do you see us having a future together?
The future is now. We're already having a future.
Babe, there's this hair I saw earlier. I want you to get it for me.
What hair is that?
Burmese coils.
Burmese coils. I'll get it.
Okay, baby.
Guess what?
What?
Your hair.
Thank you.
You did still.
For what again?
It's urgent. My dog is in labor.
But this is your dog now, man. Now.
Babe, stop now. He needs blood.
It's because I'm man and blood.
Are you going to give me or not?
Don't you know that women like money? They need money.
Okay, I'll give you. There's somebody who leave me 100K. Let's go and collect it.
Let me get my jacket.
Which kind of human baby this?
I'm going to wait here. The person that is holding money is inside. Let me collect the money.
Oh, yeah, now hurry up.
This time I want all the money. All the money.
Oh shit, not good.
Who are you? I know you.
Come, who be lying for you?
You don't get
How much time when they go? You go kri-kri.
Kri-kri. You move.
Chama, never answer my question. Do you believe in love?
Why did they worry you? Or go kill you?
You don't get sense. Can't answer this question without. What did I say this way? Hey! Oh my God! Hey, the last time breast give the one.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
I'm recording. That's why I was recording.
You just
they don't follow and call the watch.
Jesus!
Okay, what do you want back? Okay, give me that 5,000. Spaghetti 2,000. This 2,000. And 70 eggs.
Only you.
Now when I let you say be down. Okay, not the carry open man. Sell my food. No worries, they don't say your food. Okay. Who they say for yes? Okay, now me they say for yes. Give me rice 15 naira, spaghetti 10 naira, beans 10 naira, half egg.
Jesus!
Oh God, we know they said that kind of thing for you. Oh God, which one be saying they said that kind of thing for you? I'm a choosing.
Who are you?
Jesus! Did I be one talk say I'm a choosing? Now then be this.
Jesus! Jesus!
Okay, keep your food. I know the bag again. Put my leg. The play, you wear your leg on this and my soup already.
Not be juju be that.
The next now your kidney.
Jesus!
Oga pastor beg. I'm a choosing.
Then cover their head, you carry.
Okay, let me
I don't know the tune that they call AK-25.
AK-47.
Follow my channel, guys. Follow my channel for more.
Where are you taking me?
Don't buy Lexus for me.
And I bought you iPhone 15. Happy birthday, baby.
Calling me splurge, ride me jump right off the curb. Make this man fly like a...
Happy birthday, baby! Wake up, baby! I got you all the gifts in the world.
Waiting be this.
What's that?
More gifts, baby.
What's that? Not to buy you Lexus.
Jesus!
Some of you are worse than Hitler.
Only bossers.
I try, I don't try.
Singlet. Please after okay, see guys. They don't really care about us. They don't care. No matter. You know what I understand that. They don't really care about us.
Reporting live from Lagos, Nigeria. As you can see, the men are angry and complaining that the only gift their wives and girlfriends give them on their birthday is boxers and singlets. Yes! And we are tired.
I just want to announce to you, I deserve more than boxers.
Boxers!
I ain't for my wardrobe. Sending me boxer or singlet for my birthday. Don't play, else you might learn.
You might learn. You learn the hard way. Oh, man, they're not the numbers
angry and protesting that their women are not trying enough. Every birthday only gift is boxers and boxers and boxers and boxers. Men are not happy. They are tired of boxers gift on their birthday.
Let's do throw boxers, Jima. PlayStation 5. Ooh.
My baby is different. My baby, PS5.
But my boss is inside though. This is possible. I don't know. It can't be possible.
My baby is different, oh.
Hey, now your money that take by him.
Now my money is a big gift for me.
No wonder.
Hey, don't you like it?
Fear who know the fear woman.
Fear who know the fear woman, my brother.
But wait, though. What if the overseer actually shout, I am a choosing, I am a choosing, I am a choosing. Social media, who are you? Let my church begin to trend.
Another angle. Who are you? Another angle.
Where you gonna give my speakers to now? I thought the gang cannot to bring this about artists. So you go to the Nangba Road. You come here and be looking for who to harass. Hey!
Where you carry person speaker they go, Mecco?
Come, Oga. It's like the use person they play. It's like the use person they play. I get mine, come your child dedication. They sing for you. Trying to give my money, no one give my money.
Come on, what do you sing? What do you sing? Now, Pepe Soup, other people they sing when they take enter music industry.
Come, if you ask Global Boy, ZZZ, double Z on the Z11, on the Z wave, on the Z high speed, industry smoke. What do you sing?
Industry smoke.
Now, because of small money, what they owe you. Now, why you carry speakers? We want two plot of land for Chinedu.
Okay, I respect you.
Come on, carry your respect. Add for your talent.
You say I respect you, eh? I will kick all those two cater and keep for table. I will kick. Yes, I will do it.
You will kick waiting. Now that Pepe Soup, but now if enter your eye to say try. See, Pepe they bring from Mumba Road to go sing out to
Jesus. People we invite, they don't enjoy them. Eh? Maybe my song where the caterer dance didn't to waste you.
Unfortunately.
Eh? I think you don't want to give my money.
If I give you 1 naira, I don't send a coins way forward.
I'm saying never did ready now. How can this speaker?
Hey! See, I be here now. My don't want I swap I'm my fans fight. You know. Come on, no guy, no get fan. Now how fan you get? If you get fan, now how fan now you get?
You are insulting my fan.
Who sing this guy nonsense so go get fans?
Pepper soup, do you know mean of pepper soup? You know the meaning of pepper soup? Do you know how emotional I was when I sing that song? Pepper soup. This was not pepper soup. You know how emotional I was when I sing that song?
Did they hear yourself if they sing rubbish? What is that sing?
A global artist. Me don't shut down to Arena, Madison Square, UK Stadium. Shut down, nobody move, nobody come.
The highest performance we do for Botako to make me tell them, make them bring you. Now the one where do this police station for Rubokoro. Come on, get out to you can sing nothing.
Me global artist. Cha, this guy need to know my record. Get my phone day. I've called Chris Brown. I've called Nicki Minaj. Me ask Nicki Minaj how far. Me will perform for UK. The Prime Minister of UK throw Changalo, stand on top table. Me I do one.
May them give you rice now. May carry ad for your pepper soup.
Go ask around. I got hold up for New York, NYC. I got hold up.
Come. Mr. Man, what is going on here?
Udo.
Why the noise pollution?
Udo there again. Yes. I respect you, sir. Because so many people don't pass here, they don't stop. But when you see a star, you go break. Yes. My name is Global Boy, ZZZ, double Z on the Z11, on the Z wave, on the Z high speed, the industry smoke. I brought smoke to this man child dedication. Time to pay me, he refused. He said no, give my money.
Oga, why you not give me money now?
Oga, maybe sir no go pay this man. No. Maybe only be the artists will perform. People will perform good music. I don't explain, give them. They accept. Say okay, no problem. Later we go talk. I explain to this person who can perform rubbish. Tell her say, see, wait. Person will give me money for Thailand, my brother. Send me money through BTC. Say after now, make I go trader. Okay, now I go trader. Say make I carry come pay these people. Person will the trader for me for WhatsApp. Block me. PM. Everybody like Chawai.
But he explain for you now. I been no explain give you.
I don't tell this man, no. I say if you want to trade gift card and Bitcoin, trade with me, please trade. They are fast and trusted. Gift card, Bitcoin, and all digital assets. This man carrying gift card. Go trade with people don't juggle them. Where they drink alcohol, we don't take 60% alcohol, 9 can gift card go give.
Oga, why you not trade with the people we ain't giving me trade with?
Okay, they mind now. Maybe old people, they get sense. Mumu, they also grow old. Don't see one of them here.
This boy has married me, so you hear it.
Oga, calm down. You play the song, my ear first.
Don't take stand up. No, yeah, the song now. Industry smoke.
I won't complain. The whole industry smoke. They go through hard times. Everything they're expensive for market. I can remember get to Lagos. To go find where the mango chop way.
Okay, post that in a bag. Now you sing this song.
Yes, I'm the writer.
You're supposed to be grand pepper for market with this your big eyeglass. Okay, what's in never pay him?
1 naira.
Don't pay him 1 naira.
Hey.
Nonsense.
Hey, Jesus.
Oh my God.
Waiting be this. Waiting be this. Jesus.
This world can be something else.
When they plant the lead and lead another one, the two will fall inside hole.
This Mecco guy, now something else. I'm telling you, this guy is something else. So all these things where we say, as in, you know, always they tell people saying be musician. So at the end of the day, now this thing is saying, so which means even he himself, he knows that he sang nonsense. But the truth is that you don't sing for your dedication. We say you don't sing, so you need pay him. You have to pay him. You understand? And most musicians, this was how they all started. They started from singing rubbish to becoming global superstars. So what I just want is that the guy should not give up. If music is something he wants, then he should meet people that will be writing songs for him now. At least don't they get money? You understand? They write songs for you. You sing, just like Nas Boy is currently doing, and everybody is really behind him. So anyway, I just believe that this one is a skill. Well, I like that guy, Sha. I like Mecco, and I believe he really wants to delve into music. May do and boy, may Sha they give us better hits. May they give us better hits. But pay him money, nothing concern me. Anyways, guys, I believe you enjoyed this very, very short clip because I just tried to make it very short. You understand? I believe you enjoyed it because I actually enjoyed it myself. You can as well check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel, like I always say. Check them out. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's very important for the growth of my channel. I beg. See you in the next one, guys. Peace out.